When you're learning how to use a library, it's very important that you get familiar with its API, that you understand how it works correctly. jQuery has a very good API documentation site that you can access to by going to their official website and then API documentation, or just go straight to api.jquery.com. In here, you'll find details, examples of all of the methods, and you'll learn which things are now used, which things are deprecated, that you should no longer use. A lot of the stuff you find on the web, as in Stack Overflow or sites like that, might be too old for the current version of jQuery. So make sure that the methods you're using are still relevant and that you understand them correctly. Don't just copy and paste Stack Overflow code. That's a very bad practice. That's something we've all done at one point, but you can use it to find the solution, but then make sure that you take a look at the documentation before using that code. There's also another site that grabbed all of the documentation from here and presents it in a much nicer way, which is jqapi.com. Let me just show you real quick. So this is the exact same content from the official site, but it's sorted in a much more intuitive way. So you want to learn about certain, I don't know, some certain AJAX method, and you'll find it all. It's all grouped by topics. I prefer this site than the official one. The information in the two of them is the same. Besides the documentation sites, jQuery also made an official learning portal, which can be a complement to what you learn in the course, because there's some good tutorials in here that you can look at, some recipes of things that are commonly needed with jQuery. So that's about it for documentation. Also, take a look at the source code of the file after you've played with jQuery for a bit. Don't do it right away or it's gonna scare you away. It doesn't matter if you don't understand it, but you might grab one or two things that make sense. And keep in mind that that it's always good to familiarize yourself with the APIs of the libraries you